So I was watching the video Aaron made on the cursed wallpaper, and I thought I would try it on the old Android tablet I have lying around, to see if a custom version of Android Jellybean would also be affected as well. But first, a bit of context. So Ice Universe on Twitter, known for a lot of accurate smartphone leaks, posts this image explicitly stating that people shouldn't download said image as it could potentially brick their devices. With that said, as you can imagine, some people thought it might be a joke and downloaded it regardless. Turns out some people did indeed have their devices essentially bricked because of this wallpaper. The reason why this happened is stated both in Aaron's video and many other places on the internet, so I'm not going to reiterate much of it here. With that said, here's what I did. First, I downloaded the original image, and after much waiting, I set it as my wallpaper. It did nothing, so I tried again, directly setting it as my wallpaper. Did nothing. Tried downloading other images as the wallpaper, and at first they couldn't be used at all, but somehow they showed up in the gallery app, and I set both of them as my wallpaper. Did nothing, and after going back to Aaron's video to find where that pixel was that is causing the problem, I realised something. The image already was displayed and presumably converted into sRGB before I downloaded it. So despite this being a way out of date old Samsung tablet, it didn't have the same problem as newer Samsung phones. Why is this the case? I'm not sure, but I found it interesting nonetheless. Quick note, I couldn't set it as my lock screen because the tablet wouldn't let me for some reason. So that's the video. I'm not sure exactly what the reason for why my tablet was just fine, even though newer phones aren't, but maybe someone could use this for research, perhaps. I don't know, but I hope at least someone found it interesting, and if you liked it, go fix someone's phone. I'm sure they'd appreciate it. See you later.